This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. The artist is trying to draw a line 6 times, but can't get it right. Can you help? Well, let's see what it does so far. Oh, I sped mine way up. Maybe I should slow it down. So maybe we're supposed to add some blocks. Oh, wait a minute. We're already using 3 blocks, and we're only supposed to use 3. So what's happening? Oh, wait. We only repeat this 4 times. So we are only going forward how many times? Well, 4. Watch. If I do 2 here, 2 times. And how many? We're supposed to go forward 6 times. So let me switch this to 6, and we should now, zoop, zoop, because anything in this pink mouth thing is going to repeat 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if there was any code beneath this, the computer would run that. But we don't need anything beneath it. We just need to go south. Go. Hey, we did it. Awesome. Let's keep going.